the Boombox Head Knockers edition, exclusively to our channel on Breakers.tv. All teams and names have been randomized, and we get ample amount of time to trade. If you haven't done so already, please check us out at Breakers.tv/Boom City Breaks. We're breaking all types of memorabilia 7 days a week with the Great Gatsby, Bobby Two Pops, and myself, Government Cheese, as well as J-Bo on the 1s and 2s. Good luck, everybody. Baltimore Ravens. C.J. Mosley. C.J. Mosley. This comes with JSA certified. Here's the JSA number. Baltimore belongs to A-Farm. Congrats, A-Farm, on your C.J. Mosley Baltimore Ravens hit. On behalf of Boom City Breaks and myself, we'd like to thank you guys for everything. We appreciate everything that you do for us. And we will see you next time.